The tax object is anything that, according to the provisions of the tax laws and regulations, is subject to tax. The tax object can be in the form of income, goods, services, or certain ownership that raises tax obligations for tax subjects. In the context of income tax, the tax object is defined as any additional economic ability received or obtained by taxpayers, whether from within the country or from abroad, which can be used for consumption or increase wealth. In other words, any form of income that adds to one's economic ability is in principle an object of tax. Legal basis of tax object. Regulations regarding tax objects in Indonesia are regulated in various laws and regulations, including Income Tax Law, Value Added Tax Act VAT Law, Land and Building Tax Act UN, Law on Local Taxes and Local Levies. This legal basis aims to provide legal certainty regarding the type of tax object, tax imposition procedures, and exceptions to certain tax objects. Types of tax objects. 1. Income tax object PPH. The object of income tax is any income received or obtained by the taxpayer. Examples of income tax objects include salary, wages, honorarium, and benefits, profit or profit from the business, interest, dividends, and royalties, prizes, awards, and bonuses, profit from the sale or transfer of property. This tax object is taxed because it is considered to increase the taxpayer's economic ability. To object value added tax VAT. The object of VAT is the delivery of taxable goods and taxable services within the customs area, as well as the import of taxable goods. This tax is imposed on the consumption of goods and services by the public. Thus, everyone who consumes certain goods or services indirectly also pays VAT. 3. Land and Building Tax Object UN. UN objects include the earth and buildings owned, controlled, or utilized by private persons or entities. The earth includes land and waters, while buildings include houses, buildings, highways, swimming pools, and other buildings that provide economic benefits. For object of local tax. Objects of local taxes include motor vehicle tax, hotel tax, restaurant tax, entertainment tax, billboard tax, and parking tax. These taxes are levied by the local government and are used to finance regional